and stuff to see in Las Vegas, this thing will pop up. They say that this is the world's largest pint of Guinness. Clearly it's not an actual pint of Guinness, but it is a big building shaped like a pint of Guinness. It's a little Irish pub here. No, it's not Disneyland, it's adult Disneyland. This is Las Vegas. Valerie, that's funny. Yeah, I wouldn't give someone a Red Bull out here. Rice Krispie treat, yes. Thank you, Chevy5. Thank you, L. Hello, tarot cards and teacups. Thanks for following. Is it green? Okay. We got someone's grandpa belting it out. This guy. I know that guy's shirt was ridiculous. I know, isn't the Dia a ridiculous name for a restaurant in Las Vegas? They knew exactly what they were doing when they named that hotel. Did I say restaurant or hotel? I'm so glad you enjoy the tour, everybody. It gets better. We got another lightweight there on the scale. He's pleased with that. So this is the Heart Attack Grill. We passed by here earlier. This place is famous because if you weigh over 350 pounds, you get to eat for free. Oh my goodness. That's how much my bra weighs.